Hello, American River College colleagues. This is Dionisio Asparas again from the Culinary Department. Today I'm making a wonderful salad with one of my favorite springtime vegetables, which is asparagus. Now here I have cooked the asparagus with the shiitakes. We're also featuring fregola, which is a Sardinian pasta, much like Israeli couscous, which is a good substitute. And I already went ahead and cooked everything, and there are directions for that. And what I'm going to do is make a little bit of a vinaigrette here. There's some mustard in there. We have red wine vinegar, and we're going to add in some lemon zest, which is always a key ingredient in many dishes. I love putting citrus zest, lemon or lime or grapefruit into things. And you always want to zest before you juice, because if you reverse that process, it's a little harder. So we're adding in juice of one lemon. This is a nice juicy lemon. And then we're going to toss it all together along with some fresh herbs. Now I took a picture of the herbs before I chopped it. And we have parsley, chives, thyme, and rosemary. And we're just going to blend that all together with our cooked ingredients. So everything in this recipe is cooked, and then we're just going to toss it together. So this is kind of a nice kind of an entree meal salad. You can serve this with grilled chicken, roast chicken, any kind of grilled fish, or if you want. We're going to season this with salt and pepper. And then we're going to serve it over a bed of arugula. And this is not quite 3 cups of arugula, but you can kind of judge and whatever you like. And you can serve this really with any kind of cheese that you want. Today we're using some Parmesan. And this is some shaved Parmesan, so this makes it look all fancy and pretty. And I just simply used a peeler to make the shavings. It's kind of fun doing it. It's like whittling wood. So that's our recipe for today. Hopefully you'll make it and enjoy it. You can really add anything you want to it, and you can serve it for lunch, which we're going to do in a couple minutes, or for dinner. Thank you very much. Bon appetit.